Thank you all for joining for today's mini lesson, keeping your hands clean and healthy. Let's jump right into it. Why hand washing is important. Hand washing is the most effective way to prevent the spread of germs and reduce the risk of getting sick. Germs can easily transfer from our hands to our mouths, eyes, and other parts of our body, leading to infections and illnesses. Regular hand washing helps protect not only ourselves, but also those around us, especially vulnerable individuals like young children and the elderly. When to wash your hands. It is important to wash your hands at key times such as before and after preparing food, before eating, after using the restroom, after coughing or sneezing, after touching animals, and after handling garbage. Washing your hands before and after caring for someone who is sick is also crucial. Whenever your hands appear dirty or contaminated, it's a good idea to wash them as well. And this is the proper hand washing technique. Wet your hands with clean, running water, warm or cold, and apply soap. Rub your hands together to lather the soap, making sure to cover all surfaces, including the back of your hands, between your fingers, and under your fingernails. Scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds. You can use a timer or sing the happy birthday song twice to ensure you wash for the recommended duration. Rinse your hands thoroughly under running water, ensuring all soap is removed. And dry your hands using a clean towel or air dry them. Hand sanitizers as an alternative. When soap and water are not readily available, hand sanitizers can be used as an alternative. Choose a hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol for maximum effectiveness. Apply the sanitizer to the palm of one hand and rub your hands together, covering all surfaces until dry. However, hand sanitizers should not replace regular hand washing, as they may not eliminate all types of germs or remove certain substances from your hands. And that's going to bring us to our first question. What is the main reason why hand washing is important? Hand washing helps to keep your hands clean and fresh. Hand washing is necessary to remove dirt and stains from your hands. Hand washing is the most effective way to prevent the spread of germs and reduce the risk of getting sick. Or hand washing is a common hygiene practice for maintaining cleanliness. And the correct answer is going to be our third option. It's the most effective way to prevent the spread of germs. Who can be protected by regular hand washing? Regular hand washing only benefits individuals with weak immune systems. Regular hand washing helps protect not only ourselves but those around us, especially vulnerable individuals like young children and the elderly. Regular hand washing is only necessary for individuals with visible dirt on their hands, or hand washing is primarily beneficial for healthcare professionals. And the correct answer is going to be our second option. It is protective of ourselves and others as well. When should you wash your hands? You should only wash your hands before eating and after coughing or sneezing. It is important to wash your hands at key times such as before and after preparing food, before eating, after using the restroom, after coughing or sneezing, after touching animals, and after handling garbage. Or you should you should wash your hands only after using the restroom. And it is important to wash your hands at key times, such as preparing food, bathroom, animals, and the like. And what is the recommended duration for scrubbing your hands during hand washing? Scrub your hands for 5 seconds to save time during hand washing. Scrub your hands for 30 seconds to ensure maximum effectiveness. Scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds, and you can use a timer or sing the happy birthday song twice to ensure you wash for the recommended duration. Or scrub your hands for 10 seconds to ensure proper cleanliness. And the correct answer is going to be scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds. Next question. Why should hand sanitizers not replace regular hand washing? Hand sanitizers are more expensive than regular hand washing. Hand sanitizers are not easily accessible for regular use. Hand sanitizers should not replace regular hand washing, as they may not eliminate all types of germs or remove certain substances from your hands. Or, hand sanitizers are less effective in killing germs compared to regular hand washing. And the correct answer is that they may not eliminate all types of germs or remove those substances from your hand. And that's going to bring us to the end of our mini lesson today. Thank you for joining us, and I hope you have a wonderful day.